Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 27 from our flat parts, the intermediate ones. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. And now today's shape, P27, it's going to be a bit of a mix of a rectangle with two P20 or 59 cutouts in it. So if we head here to the flat parts, and then if we see this P59, if we had to rotate it onto its side, then that's pretty much what you're getting with P27. As we can see here, we've got a little rectangle with two cutouts, both on the left and the right. If we open this from the actual preview here, we can see we've got four different settings we can set. We can set the width, height, and then X and R, which is the left cutout and the right cutout. So let's just set this quick. So I'm going to go A and make this 200. I think we're just going to keep it a square, 200, and do an X about a 40, and R maybe, let's vary it up, so make it 20, so it's not exactly the same. Leave the name the same and have a quick preview. So as we can see here, it's just a slight variation in size, but you kind of get an idea of where you can go with this. You can option make it wider if you want, or taller, but I'm going to leave this just the same for the sake of the sample. And then I'm going to go manual quantity 1 like before. We say add, and then we add this shape to our actual cutout. So there you go, we've got our P27 covered. It is a bit of a rectangle and P59 mix, you can say. And yeah, so that is it on the P27. If we head you to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right if you're looking for something specific. If you do not find the training videos you're looking for, however, just go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.